Northvolt to build fully integrated battery plant in Canada. Northvolt Six is investing in a battery manufacturing plant in Canada. Since we founded Northvolt 7 years ago, we have pursued one goal: to establish a new sustainable model for battery manufacturing. Today, we are expanding Northvolt's ambitions in Canada, said CEO and co-founder of Northvolt Peter Carlson. Northvolt's new battery plant will be located in Saint-Basile-le-Grand and McMasterville, a suburb in Quebec, Canada. It will be a fully integrated facility, manufacturing cathode active material on site, produce batteries, and recycle cells. Northvolt announces new €4 billion battery gigafactory in northern Germany. The Northvolt facility will focus on producing lithium-ion battery cells. The company aims to have an annual cell production capacity of 60 gigawatt-hours. For the first phase of the project, Northvolt targets reaching up to 30 gigawatt-hours of capacity. Construction on the facility's first phase will begin by the end of 2023. The first battery cells produced at the Quebec factory are expected to be delivered by 2026. Northvolt's new battery factory in North America will receive financial support from Canada and Quebec's governments. The project's first phase will require a total investment of $5 billion USD. The potential of Northvolt 6 is enormous, not only to rapidly develop our capacity to deliver sustainable batteries to the North American market, but also to accelerate the emergence of Quebec as a key player in the global energy transition. With its unique access to 100% renewable energy and raw materials, we consider Quebec to be the ideal base of operations for Northvolt's first gigafactory outside of Europe. We look forward to collaborating with all local stakeholders and the province to make Northvolt 6 an example of sustainable investment, stated Northvolt co-founder Paolo Cerruti. Cerruti will lead the project in Canada. He will be the CEO of Northvolt in North America. The facility in Canada will be the Sweden-based company's first factory outside Europe. Northvolt has been steadily expanding its reach in Europe. In December 2021, it built its first lithium battery cell, and by mid-2022, it announced a €4 billion battery factory in Germany. In July 2022, Northvolt partnered with Volkswagen, Volvo, Fluence Energy, and Scania Trucks to expand its manufacturing facility. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Morano at teslaupdate.